Guys, I'm gonna try to cold start the weed whacker real quick. I had to shut them for probably like 5 minutes because I forgot to turn it off, but my hands are freezing and I made a video on my mom called, so whatever. See if yeah, it's still doing it, man. It hurts. Shit! Don't feel good. There we go. Oh, I should probably take it off this carpet. It hasn't been running for like 2 or 3 years, I think it was. The last time I started was like a month ago. So I guess you can't quite call it an old start. It's almost winter, I gotta run the damn gas out of it, but I'm too lazy, I don't really want to do it right now. I'm actually sick. Stayed home from school, so my mom knows I'm doing it though. Not much to say. I might be getting that board down right there, next to the white one, building something out of it. I don't know yet. Oh, Walmart. I'll rev it up now. There's no line on it. Alright, I gotta go. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.